Hi students, my name is Shet. I am from Annavara. So last class we are discussing about a topic from 10th standard, that is trigonometry. So in trigonometry we already discussed about the ratios sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta as well as cot theta. So already we know that, and also we solved some of the problems based on the trigonometric ratios. So let us move on to the next type of. Let's take the first problem. So here just observe we have cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. Already we know that sometimes they are giving the ratios in terms of fraction. So already we know that. Then using that one we can find other trigonometric ratios. So already we know that. So using cot theta is equal to 7 by 8, we can find out all the other ratios using the triangles as well as Pythagoras theorem. And here it is, we have to evaluate this one. That is, we have to find the value of 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, and another one is cot square theta. So let us find out those things. So, but here it is given that cot theta it is given, cot square theta we can find out easily. But here it's a sin theta, here it is cos theta we have. That's why we have to find out the sin theta and cos theta using this ratio. So using triangles as well as Pythagoras theorem. So already you know that. Yes. So let us find all the other ratios. Yes. Firstly I will take a triangle. It's a right angle triangle. So it's a rough right angle triangle I will draw here. And it is right angle at this one. And so I will take ABC. So it is right angle at B here. And so here I will take any angle theta. So here I will take theta. And cot theta already we know that it is inverse of tan theta. Tan theta is nothing but opposite side by adjacent side. So that means inverse of that one means it is adjacent side by opposite side. That is adjacent side for this theta is BC. So that's why it is nothing but here it is I will take it as 7x. And opposite side is nothing but AB. That one I will take it as 8x. That is already we know that cot theta is equal to BC by AB. Yes, so we know that. And then, so here once you got 7x and 8x, without any hypotenuse it is not possible to find sin theta as well as cos theta. That's why, so we have to find out the hypotenuse side using Pythagoras theorem. So let's take Pythagoras theorem here, apply Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem. So according to Pythagoras theorem, so when you apply Pythagoras theorem into this triangle, so what we get? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AB square is 8x square, that is 8x whole square plus 7x whole square. And then here 64x square plus 49x square. What happens? How much x square we are getting here? So 4 plus 9 means it is 13. 1 remains. 6 plus 1 0 1 1 3 x square. So that is 60 plus 40 100. Then 4 plus 9 is 13. It is 113 x square. It is AC square. Then AC. So AC is equal to x into square root of 113. That is square root of, it is not a perfect square, that's why square root of 113 remain as it is, and x square, so we can take outside, it is x remains. That is, so x square means square root of x square is x here, and root 113 remain as it is. Yes, so here we got the value of AC, so that means using that one we can find out this term, that is 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta, 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. That is, so when we got the value of sin theta and cos theta, we can substitute easily. Yes. Then here we got the value of hypotenuse, that is x into square root of 113. Yes. Then, so let's take the first one here. So 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus. That actually we here only we have, so that one I will use this one only. Yes. So is equal. So here just observe. So sometimes we can substitute easily. That is sin theta. When we found out sin theta and cos theta, we can substitute easily. But here just observe, we have to simplify further, because so if it is possible, so we can simplify. So here just observe, it is 1 plus cos sin theta and 1 minus sin theta, and here 1 plus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta. That is, it's in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So that means we can apply one of the identity, that is a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. That is, so we know that a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So apply that one. So it is 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta is equal to 1 square minus sin theta square. That is 1 minus sin square theta. That is, so here a plus b into a minus b. So then we can write it as a square minus b square. That is 1 square. So 1 square remaining. So I will remain it as 1 only. Minus sin theta square means sin square theta. So the sin theta whole square and sin square theta both are same. There is no any changes. So say in trigonometry we are writing like this. And so similarly we have a plus b into a minus b, that is 1 minus cos square theta. So here it is just observe, becomes very easy to solve. And then let us find out sin theta. Sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. That is, opposite is 8x divided by, so root 113x. So x will get cancels and it remains, it is 8 by square root of 113. And cos theta, let us find out cos theta. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. The adjacent side is 7x here, 7x divided by hypotenuse is root 113x. So x will be cancels and 7 by root 113. And just substitute all these values in this equation is equal to, it is 1 minus sin square theta, that is this one, 8 by root 113 whole square. 8 by root 113 whole square divided by, here cos theta, 1 minus cos square theta, that is 1 minus 7 by root 113 whole square. Then simplify the term, is equal to, so here it is the values we got, yes, is equal to, so is equal to means, so this one, so here it is actually we found out the values, yes. Then, so here 1 minus, so square that one, it is 64 divided by 113 whole divided by 1 minus 49 divided by 113. Then we have to take the LCM of the denominator in both the numerator as well as denominator. So I will rub this part. Yes, so then 1 minus sin square theta divided by 1 minus cos square theta. That is, it is a continued part. So from here, that is 1 minus, so 1 minus, here I am taking the LCM of the denominator, that is, so here we have, here also we have to multiply 113, that is, so here we have 1 and 113, the LCM of the denominator is 113, that means, so for getting 113 we have to multiply 113 here as well as here. So here also the same thing, here and here both numerator and denominator we have to multiply with 113, yes. Then, so 113 minus 64 divided by 113, and here also 113 minus 49 divided by 113. It is 113 and 113 getting cancels here, and then so 113 minus 64. So we have to subtract, and here just observe. So 113 minus 64. 4 means, so here 13, 4, 9 we are getting, and 10 minus is 49, that is 49 divided by 113 minus 49 means it is again 64, that is, so 49. 13 minus 9 means it is 4, then 10 minus 4 is 64. 49 by 64 is the answer, that is 1 minus sin square theta divided by 1 minus cos square theta is equal to 49 by 64 here. as then. So here we can write it as 7 by 8. Just observe it, 7 by 8 whole square. Yes. Then here just observe 7 by 8. Here we have also 7 by 8 whole square. So just look at that one. So here it is 7 by 8 we have, and here we have 7 by 8. So let us substitute the value of 7 by 8 here. It is cot theta is equal to cot theta whole square. So this one we can write it as cot square theta. Yes. So that means both are same, not only different, both are same here. That is, so cot square theta is equal to 49 by 64 as well as 1 minus sin square theta divided by 1 minus cos square theta. Yes, 1 minus sin square theta by 1 minus cos square theta, the result will be same as cot square theta, and both the values are 49 by 64. That is, in all the problems we are not getting the same thing, but here it is, we are observed that, so here 49 by 64 it is 7 square and it is 8 square, so that one we can write it as 7 by 8 whole square. So inside the bracket we have 7 by 8 means it is eligible to substitute the value, substitute it as cot theta. So that's why I wrote cot theta, so cot theta whole square, so we can write it as cot square theta. So the second one we have to find out is cot square theta. So the same value whatever we have here, so that is nothing but the value of cot square theta. So cot square theta and this both are same. The value of this and value of this both are same, because so in both the cases we got the same answer. So I hope you understood this one. So let us move on to the next problem. Here it is the second problem. So here just observe, in a right angle triangle ABC, it's a right angle triangle, right angle at B, here it is given. So if tan A is equal to 1 by root 3, then find the value of sin A cos C plus cos A sin C, and also cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. So already you know that when the trigonometric ratio is given, so how to find out the other trigonometric ratios, already you know that. So let us take the triangle first, then we have to find, you can use Pythagoras theorem to find the another side, and then we have to find other trigonometric ratios as well, then we have to find out the solution. Yes, so firstly we have to draw the triangle. So already you know that here in this complete chapter we are using only the right angle triangles. Yes, so here in ABC, right, it's a triangle ABC, and right angle at B already given. So in tan A is equal to 1 by root 3 it is given. Tan A is equal to 1 by root 3. That is tan, the function is already you know that is nothing but opposite side by adjacent side. So that is if you took angle A here, so that means what is the opposite side here? That is 1. So I will take it as 1x. And then, so it's a adjacent side. It's a hypotenuse, means adjacent side is this one. So how to find out the hypotenuse? The side opposite to the right angle. So that is nothing but hypotenuse. And this is nothing but adjacent side. So I will take it as root 3x. Then use the Pythagoras theorem to find out the AC here, because so for sin A, cos C, cos A, sin C, for all of that one, so we need hypotenuse. So that's why we have to find out that hypotenuse side. That is, use Pythagoras theorem. So using Pythagoras theorem, so apply this Pythagoras theorem to this triangle. So here it is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Yes, so AC square is equal to, so AB square it is the root 3x, that is root 3x whole square plus, and here BC means it's 1x, so I will write it as x square, that is 3x square plus x square is equal to 3x square plus x square means it is 4x square. AC square is equal to 4x square, then AC is equal to square root of 4x square, square root of 4x square. Here 4 and x square both are perfect squares, so that's why the answer is 2x. AC is equal to 2x, it's nothing but 2x here. Then we have to find out the remaining thing, that is sin A is needed, cos C is needed, cos A is needed, sin C is needed. So all the things we have to find out. Which one we need? So that one we have to find out first. Then firstly I will take sin A. Sin A is equal to its opposite side by hypotenuse side. That is sin A is here. So be careful about this one. So here it is, most of you are committing mistake here only. So firstly you have to recognize the angle. So it is A, and what is the opposite of that one? That one you have to take. So 1x. That is x is the opposite side, and hypotenuse is the adjacent. So hypotenuse is nothing but here 2x. That is the longest side. That is side opposite to the right angle. That is 2x. So x getting cancels. 1 by 2 remains. Then next one, cos C is needed. Firstly, recognize the angle here. So that is C is here. That is cos C, already you know that adjacent by hypotenuse. What is the adjacent side here? So adjacent side is this one. So adjacent to this angle is this one. So this is the opposite, this is the adjacent, this is the hypotenuse. That is x is the adjacent side, and the hypotenuse is already you know that 2x. X cancels and 1 by 2 remains. Then next one it is cos A. Yes. So here it is the cos A. Angle A is here. Firstly recognize the angle. So A is here, angle A is here. So using angle A, that is cos function, we have to apply. Cos function means it is adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent is nothing but this one. So this is the opposite, this is adjacent, and this is hypotenuse. That is root 3x divided by 2x. So x getting cancels. So we got root 3 by 2. Then finally sin C. What is sin C here? That is just observe. Firstly recognize the angle. Here C we have here sin C. That is firstly we have to take the opposite side by hypotenuse. What is opposite here? Root 3x. Then hypotenuse it is 2x. X getting cancels. We got root 3 by 2. Then take this complete equation. That is sin A cos C plus cos A and sin C. So apply all the values here. Sin A is 1 by 2 plus cos C is 1 by 2. Sorry, here it is multiplication plus. Then so cos A is root 3 by 2. Multiply. Sin C is also root 3 by 2. So according to the bottommost rule, firstly we have to multiply, don't add. Firstly we have to multiply here. So that is multiply numerator, denominator. 1 by 4 plus here root 3 into root 3 square. Root 3 square is nothing but 3. So that is root 3 square divided by 4 is equal to 1 by 4. Root 3 square means 3 divided by 4. So let's take the LCM of the denominator 4 only. So in both the cases we have 4, and then we can write the numerator. It is 4 divided by 4 is equal to, answer is 1. Answer is equal to 1 we got. That is, so here it is given the ratio means tan any one of the ratio it is given means you can find out other trigonometric ratios which is needed to us. So that one we have to find out, and using Pythagoras theorem, so which is not have, that one we have to find. That is, if it is opposite side and adjacent we have, so we can find out the hypotenuse side. If it is any two it is given, so we can find out the another one. So using Pythagoras theorem. Then, so what are the trigonometric functions we needed? That one we have to find out using the triangles, or what are the sides we have. And here, so you can take equation here, then substitute all the values in that equation, then simplify it and get the answer. So this is the procedure. And so this is about the first equation. So, and here only I am giving the homework, that is just try know only. So cos A, cos C minus sin A and sin C. So if it is the values you have, so you can find out here only. So just substitute the values and get the answers. Otherwise, you can find out the values again, this one. So using this triangle, so then you can substitute the values and get the answers. So I hope you are. So here we have a right angle triangle PQR, right angle at Q here, and the sum of two sides of this triangle, it is given PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeter, and PQ, one of the side, it is given PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. Determine the values of sin P, cos P and tan P we have to find out. So firstly we have to draw a triangle, right angle triangle PQR. So here it is the right angle triangle PQR. Consider this as right angle triangle PQR, right angle at Q here. So one of the side, that is PQ, is given 5 centimeter, and another is PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeter is given. So and here PR is the hypotenuse side, try to express hypotenuse in terms of another side, that is PR is equal to 25 minus QR, and here I am taking QR as x. Take QR as x because so here it is very easy to find out the answer. That is again and again writing the QR instead of writing take x here. So that is PR is equal to 25 minus x. Then apply the Pythagoras theorem. Apply Pythagoras theorem. Yes. So applying Pythagoras theorem means here PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. So PR already you know that is 25 minus x whole square is equal to PQ square is 5 square plus QR is already you know that we taken it as x. So that's why I will take it as x square. And here it's just also it's a minus b whole square formula, that is a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is so a square, that is 25 square, it is nothing but, so I will write first like this 25 square, then so 2 into 25 into x, it is 50x minus, so here plus b square, x square is equal to 5 square is 25 plus x square remains as it is. Then so here this observe 25 whole square means it is 625 minus 50x remain as it is, then plus x square, then here just observe 25 plus x square, so here it is in the RHS side, take it into the LHS side, that is minus 25 minus x square is equal to 0. Then plus x square and minus x square getting cancels, and 625 minus 25 means it is 600 minus 50x is equal to 0. Then so here I will transpose this 600 to the RHS side, that is minus 50x is equal to minus 600. The plus 600 we have in the LHS side, after transposing it convert into minus 600. Then x is equal to minus 600 divided by minus 50, because so here it's 50 is multiplied and after transposing it moves into the denominator. Minus and getting cancels, and 0 and 0 getting cancels here. So 5 into 1 and 5 into 1 here and 2. 5 into 12 60. X is equal to 12. So x is equal to 12 means QR is equal to x is equal to 12. So that is, so value of QR we got, it is 12 centimeter, and then find out the value of PR. PR is equal to how much? So 25 minus x, already we know that 25 minus 12. So 25 minus 12 means it is 30. So value of PR is 30. So then we have to find out the value of sin P, cos P as well as tan P. So then here I will find sin P here. Sin P is equal to, so P is here, angle P is here. So then sin is nothing but opposite side by hypotenuse side. Opposite side is nothing but QR, that is QR divided by hypotenuse is nothing but PR. is equal to, what is the value of QR here? It is 12, and PR is nothing but 30. Then we move to the cos P. So cos P, so here cos P we have to find out, firstly find out the angle here, that is P is here, so that is cos function means adjacent side by hypotenuse, so its opposite side means this is the adjacent side and this is the hypotenuse, that is PQ divided by PR. So PQ already we know that it's a 5 centimeter and divided by PR is nothing but 13 centimeter. Then finally we have to find out the tan P. So tan P here there is no any space, so that's why here I am finding. So tan P here. So tan P is nothing but already we know that. So any method you can choose, that is you can divide sin P divided by cos P as well, or so using the tangent, that's a tan function, so also you can find out, that is tan P, angle is here, P is here. Already we know that the tan function is nothing but opposite side by adjacent side, that is opposite side is 12, adjacent side is 5, that is QR by PQ. It is QR divided by PQ, that is QR is nothing but 12, PQ is 5, tan P is equal to 12 by 5. So here also you can use this one also, that is 12 by 3 whole divided by 5 by 3 means 30 getting cancelled. Again it is remaining 12 by 5 here. So here it is the different thing, it is in given, so they given only the sum of two sides and another one side it is given. So that's why in that case we have to find the other trigonometric ratios. So like this, that is firstly you have to find out the other sides and then we have to move on to the ratios. So I hope you understood these things. So let's take some of the homework here. So here it is 3 cot A is equal to 4. 3 cot A is equal to 4 means cot A is equal to 4 by 3. So you can transpose this 3 here. And then check whether 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not. So we have to verify this one here. So firstly you have to find out cot A is equal to 4 by 3. Using that one, so you can find out other trigonometric ratios, which one is needed to us, that is tan A needed and cos A is needed, and sin A is we have to find out that one. And after that one, so take the LHS side separately and find out the answer, and take RHS side separately and find out the answer. If both the answers are equal, so then you can conclude that this LHS side equal to RHS side. If it is not equal, so those are not equal here. So that is here we have to verify that one whether it is correct or not. So for that one, so you have to find out the other trigonometric ratios, then you have to substitute the values. So in the LHS side and the RHS side separately, then find out the answers separately. If it is both are same, these are equal. If it is not same, this is not equal here. So I hope you understood this one. So try to solve this problem in your home. So those who are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so you can get the notification of our channel very easily. Also hit the like button. Thank you one and all. Be safe and stay home. Thank you.